How to fix Dave payment/transfer failed error. First, to fix any kinds of error in the application, you want to simply close it off your recent tabs and open the app again. If you're having any kinds of problem with the application, first you need to make sure that you are connected to a secure network. Go to your settings and click on Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on and is connected to a better network so that you don't face any payment errors while making payments the next time. However, if you are still facing problems while making transactions, you can simply uninstall your app once. What you can do is you can simply go to your Dave app and install it again from the App Store and click on download to download the application. By doing so, most of the errors should be fixed since the app has been restarted. However, if you are still facing any kinds of problem while making transactions, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again to try again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.